Hello all my fit friends, welcome back to Wow Body Now. We are going to be working with a resistance band today. If you don't have a resistance band but you have a set of dumbbells or something that you can use like a set of dumbbells, go ahead and grab those. Let's just march. We're going to do a really quick warm up. It has been super rainy around here. This is the first nice day where we can actually get outside. It's a beautiful autumn day, nice crisp cool air. I love working out outside on a day like today. There you go. March and pump those arms. There you go. Abs in, shoulders back, standing up nice and tall. There you go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Click those heels down in front. Press those arms overhead. Warming up the shoulder complex. There you go. Taking nice deep breaths. Think about drawing those abdominals in. Pull that belly button into your spine. Stay really engaged through the middle part of your body there. Your powerhouse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tap back. Squeeze your triceps. So your elbows are pulled back behind your hips, up, and then squeeze them in towards each other and press those hands back. Beautiful. Nice work. You got it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Just give me little leg circles around and around. There you go. Feel your abdominals engaged as you pull that knee up and around. This really does help warm up the core muscles there. Nice. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Give me some bicep curls. Digging those heels again. Keep those curls going. Let's just jog nice and easy in our place. We're nice and light on our feet. There you go. Beautiful. Shoulders back, head drawing up to the sky. Really squeeze those biceps. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice work. Okay, so grab your exercise tube. We're going to start with some biceps work. Step your feet in the middle of your tube. Depending on the resistance of your tube, maybe you want your feet closer together. That's going to make it easier. I already have a pretty tight tube. If you have a lighter tube, you might want your feet a little bit wider, and that will increase resistance. I'm going to keep my feet right there. Shoulders are back, abs are in, tailbones tucked under. Squeezing the glutes and the abs. Keep that core nice and tight. Let's curl for 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, alternate for 20, 19, 18, ooh, burning it out, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Put the tube down. We are just, actually don't put it down. Grab it here, put it over, hold it overhead, and I want tension in the tube. If you just have weights, just hold them over your head. All right, so you have tension in the tube. Draw your shoulders down and back, squeeze between your shoulder blades. Toes are turned out slightly. We're gonna do nice, deep overhead squats. Go all the way down and up. We're taking our time. Now listen, if you don't have a range of motion to go that deep, you just go as deep as you can, actively pulling the tube apart. There you go. Ooh, I can hear my knee clicking. Ooh, nice work. Squeeze those glutes at the top extra. Ooh, I lost count. We're probably close to 10 here. Let's do 10 more. 10, 9, there you go, 8, 7, 6, spread that tube apart, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Put that down. We're going to raise the heart rate up some with some squat jumps. If jumping isn't for you, you just do air squats. Feet never have to leave the ground. Ready? Here we go. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo-wee. Okay, we just switched biceps. Let's do some triceps. So, go ahead and take the tube underneath one foot, step forward, hinge forward from the hips. Knees are soft. Pull those elbows up and in and squeeze back. 2, 3. My palms are rotating up as I extend them back. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Hold them out there and just press up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Full range of motion for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it out there. Squeeze. Hold, hold, hold. Beautiful. All right. So, go ahead and take your feet shoulder width apart. Take the handles, cross them. Beautiful. Put them right there at your hips. Sit down in your squat. We're going to do some side stepping. There you go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back we go. Come on. 2, 3. Sit those hips low. Don't stand all the way. Let's go back again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's not stop. It feels good and challenging, so let's push it a little bit more. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want to stop, but we're going to do it one more time. Come on. 2. Oh my goodness. 3, 4, 5, 6. Back again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, awesome. Let's do a little cardio move. Good old-fashioned lunge jumps. If jumping isn't for you, you just step back into your lunge nice and quickly. Let's start in that lunge position. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 15, 20, give me 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, nice work. All right, time for some shoulders. So what you're gonna do is, oh, I forgot my water. I should have brought it out. Whew. Got a little froggy in my throat. Now we're ready for some shoulder work. I'm just gonna do one side then the other. So I'm gonna step onto one side. I'm actually gonna choke up on it. That's gonna make it harder. We're gonna do a lateral raise, okay? This arm out for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, going to 20, 13, 14, 15, elbows slightly bent, 16, 17, head up tall, 18, 19, 20, same thing. Other side, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you got it, 7, 8, 9, 10, abs in, shoulders back, you got it, 12, 13, feel the burn, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, woo, 19, 20. We're not done. Both feet in, okay? Depending how heavy it is, maybe your arms don't get up to shoulder level. Just get as close as you can. We're just doing 10 reps. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7. Knees a little bit soft. 6, 5, 4, 3, woo, 2, 1. Hold it out there. Hold it. Just a static hold. Hold, hold, hold. Release. Okay. So we are going to use the band with the bottom part here around your foot. Put that in your foot. I'm going to hold on to my railing here. You can hold on to your coffee table, your couch, countertop, whatever you have. I'm actually just going to wrap it around here. You don't have to. You just need to hold on to it. And we're going to do some donkey kicks here. So you're leaned forward, but your abdominals are pulled in. Tailbone tucked under, shoulders back. Let's go. Kick it back. 2. Oh, that's too easy for me. I need to choke off on it a whole lot more. Make adjustments as you need to. See, that's okay. Here we go. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, come on, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, straight leg, go down and up. 2, 3, don't arch your back. 4, keep that tailbone tucked under, abs strong. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, give me 10 more. 10, 9, abs in. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Quick transition. Just switch legs. 20 donkey kicks. Abs in. Standing knee is soft, shoulders back, tailbone tucked under. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, squeeze the glutes. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, down and up, go, 20, up, 19, you got it, 18, come on, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, woo, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it in. All right, quick little cardio set. We're gonna do 50 jumping jacks. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. Good job. So we're going to do some combo moves that are going to combine upper and lower body. So we're going to do some curls with a rear lunge. We're going to do 10 per leg, curling the whole time. Elbows in, shoulders down and back, abs in. Here we go. Curl and lunge. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just hold it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Quick transition. Same thing. Other leg. Good posture. Ready? Here we go. 10. Ooh, not right in the middle. There we go. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Step right in the center. Squat and a press. Are you ready? Squat, press, and up. Squat, press, and up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep right here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Ow, it burns. 4. Oh my goodness. 3, 2, 1. Bring it up. Shake it out. Ah, okay. Stand right in the middle. You are going to be working against this resistance in this side for your side lunge, and then a little tricep press on this side. So keep this elbow up. Here we go. Side lunge, a little 1, tricep press. 2, hi. 2. Well, when I'm done, 3, I can't help you now. 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, whew, 7, 7, oh my goodness, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, and let's switch sides. All right, Bring that elbow up, ready to press. This side's ready to do a side lunge. Here we go. 10, 10, 9, 9, 8, 8. Squeeze the back of your arm as you extend. 7, 6, 6, 5, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1. Nice work. We're gonna finish off with a little cardio blast. Are you ready? We're gonna do squat jumps, lunge jumps, then jumping jacks. You ready to go? Yeah? Here we go. Let's do 10 of them. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get into that lunge jump, right into it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness. Jumping jacks, let's go. 20, 19, 18, 15, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we are finished. Thank you so much for working out with me today, everybody. I want you to meet me right back here tomorrow for another workout. Until then, always remember, no excuses, no regret, just sweat. Bye.